Today I'm going to guide you through playing career mode in eFootball. Whether you're new to the game or just looking for some tips, I've got everything you need to kick off your career. Let's dive right in. Launch eFootball and navigate to the main menu. Select career mode from the options. You'll have the choice to manage a club or create your own. Go with manage a club for this tutorial. Browse through the available teams and select one that fits your style. You can choose a top club for a challenge or a lower tier team to build from the ground up. Now, setting up your manager profile. Create your manager by customizing the appearance and name. This adds a personal touch to your career mode experience. Next step is to understanding career mode features. Once you're in, familiarize yourself with the main interface. Key features include the transfer market, squad management, and calendar. Keep an eye on your club's finances, player morale, and upcoming matches. Now click on squad management to adjust your lineup, tactics, and formations. Make sure to set your best players in the preferred positions for optimal performance. Now, next step is to use the transfer market to buy or sell players. You can scout for young talents or experienced players to improve your team. Keep track of your budget to make smart financial decisions. After each match, check player performance and morale. Adjust training sessions based on how players perform to keep them sharp and happy. Keep an eye on your club's goal. And that's it. You're now ready to embark on your career mode journey in eFootball.